Hey, fellow stock guardians, happy Wednesday, July 7th, 2021. I'm Hoda, a stock car CEO, reporting to you from a barely in the green stock market. I reviewed the treasury bond yields that continued to fall today, looked into cryptocurrency stocks, specifically Coinbase, and explored Pinterest growth and its evolving business model. Let's get into it. We ended today with a green stock market, but only barely. The Dow and the S&P 500 indices closed in the green, as well as the Nasdaq, which barely finished above zero. While the market is still saw growth, the 10-year Treasury bond yield dropped to its lowest since mid-February. This is not a great sign for investors. However, the overall sentiment appeared to remain positive with the numbers put up by the Dow and the S&P. Before we get to today's winners and losers, let me give a shout out to all of you stock guardians. Thank you for watching, reading, and listening to the daily market recap reports every day. Our mission, as you know, is to make investment research painless for you. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the show or create a free account on stockcard.io to get the daily market recap reports. By the way, we just released a new update to StockCard's platform. This new update makes platform's login process more secure, among several other enhancements around the platform. You may notice that we ask you to re-log in when you visit a StockCard the next time, or if you leave your browser where you have a StockCards open inactive for a long time. All you need to do is to log in and have fun researching the stocks. Folks, considering the recent volatility in the cryptocurrency market, today I searched the cryptocurrency list of stocks on StockCard. This is where I noticed Coinbase, ticker COIN, today's winner stock and the biggest name in crypto. Earlier this month, CEO Brian Armstrong said that Coinbase was planning on accepting and listing every cryptocurrency it could to promote a free market and be the go-to exchange for crypto investors. This will help keep them ahead of challenger exchanges. On top of this, the company recently announced that it will soon begin offering a 4% annual percentage yield API on USD coins, which is cryptocurrencies tied to the price of the dollar. Such a rich offering could encourage more users to store their money on Coinbase exchange, even if they decide not to invest in cryptocurrencies. Despite today's 8% or so jump, Coinbase shares are down 30% over the past 3 months, falling more or less in tandem with Bitcoin. Unsurprisingly, this upward movement follows Bitcoin's price, which also rose for the majority of today, only dropping after the stock exchanges closed. Like I mentioned, if you're looking to benefit from the growth of cryptocurrency without directly investing in cryptocurrencies, investing in Coinbase is one of your best choices. Also, have a look at other cryptocurrency-related stocks by searching for cryptocurrency in the search bar. I'll leave a link to this list in the show notes. The social media e-commerce platform Pinterest, ticker PINS, took a 3% loss today. This is a small loss compared to the 40% it has gained since May, which was on track to eclipse its year record high. The website is on the 14th place in terms of users worldwide, yet it has been continuing to evolve and adapt to the online e-commerce landscape. For example, this year, the company partnered with Shopify to integrate e-commerce into the platform. You can see the impact on its revenue already, with the last earnings report boosting a 78% growth in revenue year over year and monthly user growth of 30% in the same time frame. Interestingly, the stock is part of the 2 greener high conviction watchlist we created yesterday together because of its high growth potential and strong operations. As we discussed yesterday, high conviction growth stocks may go through rapid fluctuations. The best strategy to invest in these is to monitor and buy the dip around the earnings timeframe, or when there is some sort of short-term negative news dragging investor sentiment. On the company's stock card, below the price chart, you can see a list of important dates, including the next earnings report due for July 30th. I'll be watching the stock Until then, to buy the dip in Pinterest if and when the opportunity presents itself. That's it for today. If you haven't already done so, please give a stock card a try, research as many stocks and ETFs that you want, and consider following a few successful investors by visiting the stock picks page on a stock card platform. Don't forget to sign up for a 14-day free trial with promo code ROLLWITHOURCEO, all lowercase and in one word, to get 10% discount in addition to your 14-day free trial. And as always, like, subscribe, and share these daily market recap reports with your fellow investors. Come back tomorrow for another episode. I'll see you then.